The Gemini AI just released. All you need to know about it. Welcome back to our channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we have some exciting news to share with you. Google has officially introduced Gemini, its latest artificial intelligence model, equipped with capabilities in text, code, audio, image, and video. What can Google Gemini do? Gemini can understand not just text, but also images, videos, and audio. As a multimodal model, Gemini is described as capable of completing complex tasks in math, physics, and other areas, as well as understanding and generating high-quality code in various programming languages. The entity claims that Gemini AI significantly outperforms Microsoft-backed OpenAI GPT, potentially enhancing Google's standing in the AI competition. Referred to as Gemini, Google labels it as the largest and most capable AI model that's developed so far. The tech giant intends to further enhance this large language model in the coming year. And who made Gemini? Gemini was created by Google and Alphabet, Google's parent company, and released as the company's most advanced AI model on December 6, 2023. Google DeepMind also made significant contributions to the development of Gemini. What makes Gemini different from the already existing AI models? This huge success of generative AI lies in its ability to emulate human actions, an unprecedented feat for machines. Human capabilities encompass a wide range, from engaging in conversations and coding to writing reports and creating visual. Our brains, with their complexity, can interpret diverse data formats like text, words, sounds, and visuals. This cognitive ability empowers us to navigate the world, respond to stimuli, and solve problems creatively. Google's Gemini AI aims to mirror this versatility, striving to create AI that can handle different types of information, similar to human capabilities. Unlike other models, Gemini distinguishes itself by not relying on a singular model. Instead, it combined various AI models into a cohesive unit. This integration involves machine learning and AI models such as graph processing, computer vision, audio processing, language models, coding, and programming. The goal is to bring these models together to work harmoniously, creating a more advanced multimodal AI. While undeniably challenging, Google is pushing the boundaries to take this idea to a whole new level. Gemini Variations. Are there different versions of Gemini? As per the latest updates, Gemini AI will be offered in 3 variations. Google describes Gemini as a flexible model that is capable of running on everything from Google's data centers to mobile devices. To achieve this scalability, Gemini is being released in 3 versions: Gemini Nano, Gemini Pro, and Gemini Ultra. Gemini Nano. The Gemini Nano model size is designed to run on smartphones, specifically the Google Pixel 8. It's built to perform on-device tasks that require efficient AI processing without connecting to external servers, such as suggesting replies within chat applications or summary. Gemini Pro. Running on Google's data centers, Gemini Pro is designed to power the latest version of the company's AI chatbot, Bard. It's capable of delivering fast response times and understanding complex queries. Gemini Ultra. Though still unavailable for widespread use, Google describes Gemini Ultra as its most capable model, exceeding current state-of-the-art results on 30% of the 32 widely used academic benchmarks used in large language model (ALM) research and development. It's designed for highly complex tasks and is set to be released after finishing its current phase of testing. How can you access Gemini? Gemini is now available on Google products in its Nano and Pro versions, like the Pixel phone and Bard chatbot, respectively. Google plans to integrate Gemini over time into its search, ads, Chrome, and other services. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, a comprehensive overview of the groundbreaking Gemini AI. With its advanced features, benefits, and real-world applications, this platform is set to reshape the future of AI. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing updates and insights. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious,